So here are the answers to the soft vowel ending and hard vowel ending exercise from the previous video. I'm going to write SV for soft vowel and HV for hard vowel. Now let's go to the first one. Paso, paso. Paso ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Paso. The second one here is kuha, kuha. Kuha also ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Kuha. Next is kiwi, kiwi. Kiwi also ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Kiwi. Next is mata, mata. Mata ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Mata. Next, kalayo, kalayo. Kalayo ends in a soft vowel sound, and so it is also SV. Kalayo. Next is lalaki, lalaki. Lalaki also ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Lalaki. Next is tatlo, tatlo. Tatlo also ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Tatlo. Next, storia, storia. Storia also ends in a soft vowel sound, so it's SV. Storia. Next is buhi, buhi. Buhi ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Buhi. Next we have baha, baha. Baha ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Baha. The next word is ula, ula. Ula ends in a hard vowel, so it's also HV. Ula. Next is baho, baho. Baho also ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Baho. Next we have agi, agi. Agi ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Agi. Next we have bato, bato. Bato also ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Bato. Next we have baka, baka. Baka also ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Baka. Next we have bawi, bawi. Bawi ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Bawi. Next, isda, isda. Isda also ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Isda. Next we have pulo, pulo. Pulo ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Pulo. Our next word is palda, palda. Palda ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Palda, palda. Next we have tabo, tabo. Tabo ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Tabo. Next we have basi, basi. Basi also ends in a hard vowel, so it's also HV. Basi. Next we have hibi, hibi. Hibi also ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Hibi. Next we have diri, diri. Diri ends in a soft vowel, so it's SV. Diri. Next we have ilaga, ilaga. Ilaga ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Ilaga, ilaga. And the last one here is tumbo, tumbo. Tumbo ends in a hard vowel, so it's HV. Tumbo. How many vowel endings did you get right? I have a strong feeling that you aced it. If you need to practice some more, you can always come back to this video. And besides, our future lessons will definitely include words ending in either soft or hard vowels. And I'm sure you'll be able to recognize them by then. This is Angelo, your Hiligaynon tutor. I teach Hiligaynon from my perspective as a native speaker. Madamo gid nga salamat. Please like and subscribe.